Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer your money or to withdraw your money from the Neteller wallet to your debit card. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to go to this navigation tab or navigation bar and search for the money out. And basically the money out is the withdrawal window. And of course you will need to have already some balance in your account, but no worries. After you click on the money out, you will have here a window where you can add your bank account information. So you are going just to link your bank card with the money out and add your informations, and then you will need just to proceed in the withdrawal until you confirm the balance that you want to withdraw with your Neteller wallet to your bank account or the bank card. So basically that's it. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.